I'm Arturo with the product team at Jarvis Lighting, and today I'm going to show you how to reset a few of our Jarvis Link compatible luminaire level lighting control devices. Sometimes when installing these devices, you may need to switch a device from one fixture to another, or you may be changing which project the device is connected to. In these cases, it is helpful to know how to quickly and easily reset your Jarvis Link device to its factory settings. In order to reset these devices, you have to first make sure that the device is connected to a light fixture and that the light fixture is powered on. This is a PIR sensor which is mainly used in our panel lights and troughers for office lighting and other indoor applications. It is capable of occupancy sensing and daylight harvesting. To reset the sensor, locate the reset button, which is right here on the front of the device. Press and hold the button for about 5 seconds. The button will blink red and the fixture will flash a few times before turning off. Once the fixture turns off and the reset button turns green, let go of the button. The fixture will flash a few more times before turning back on. Your sensor is now reset and ready to be added into your Jarvis Link project. This is our main Z10 PIR sensor. It can be used in any indoor or outdoor fixture with a Z10 receptacle. It is capable of occupancy sensing and photocell on-off functionality. The sensor does not have a reset button. Instead, it is reset using a magnet. Simply locate the label on the side of the device that says reset and touch your magnet to the label. The fixture will flash a few times before turning off. Once the fixture is off, you can remove the magnet. The fixture will flash a few more times and turn back on, and your Z10 sensor is now reset and ready to be added into your Jarvis Link project. This is our standard Z10 wireless control module, or WCM, which can receive command signals from nearby devices such as our Z10 sensor, wall switch, or gateway. It can then control the fixture it's connected to. This WCM is reset in the exact same way as our Z10 sensor. Locate the reset label on the side of the device and touch the magnet to the label. Wait for the device to turn off, then remove the magnet. You may notice that the device does not flash and turn off right away when you touch the magnet to the label. If this happens, try moving the magnet slightly, holding it in place for 5 seconds at a time. Continue moving the magnet around over the label until the fixture flashes. This is a long-range WCM wireless control module, which functions in the same manner as the Z10 WCM we just discussed. However, this version features a long-range antenna which improves the Bluetooth communication range to a maximum of 1,200 feet, making it perfect for outdoor projects or large indoor facilities. This WCM also resets magnetically. Locate the black dot on the top of the device labeled RST and touch your magnet to this dot. The blinking red light on the WCM will turn off and the fixture will flash and turn off. Once the fixture is off, remove the magnet. The red light on the WCM and the fixture will both turn back on. Now your device is reset. Now you know how to reset our Jarvis Link compatible devices. If you want to learn more about the devices and our Jarvis Link luminaire level lighting control system, you can check out our other videos on our channel or visit jarvislighting.com. Thanks for watching.